Wealth is more than financial prosperity. It reflects principles woven into the fabric of spiritual laws. Throughout history, divine wisdom has revealed that abundance flows not merely from effort, but from alignment with God's principles. True financial success emerges when individuals embrace spiritual laws that govern prosperity, generosity, and stewardship. One of the most fundamental spiritual laws for wealth is the law of giving and receiving, a principle echoed throughout Scripture. Luke 6 verse 38 states, "Give, and it will be given to you." Those who practice generosity often experience supernatural provision beyond mere financial calculations. Similarly, the law of diligence reminds us that hard work and wisdom are key components of wealth building. Proverbs 10 verse 4 declares, "The hand of the diligent makes rich." Beyond personal effort, the law of faith plays a crucial role in financial increase. Trusting God's provision, as emphasized in Matthew 6 verse 33, ensures that resources flow in divine timing. The law of vision teaches that financial success follows those with clear, God-ordained goals. Gratitude also operates as a wealth magnet, aligning individuals with the law of contentment and protecting against scarcity thinking. Understanding and applying these spiritual laws brings lasting prosperity, not just material wealth, but a life marked by favor, wisdom, and impact. When finances are handled in harmony with divine principles, wealth transforms from personal gain to kingdom purpose. Spiritual laws influence wealth and financial prosperity. These principles often emphasize faith, stewardship, and alignment with divine principles. Here are a few key spiritual laws. The law of abundance. This principle suggests that abundance is a natural state, and recognizing the blessings already present in life opens the door to greater provision. The law of giving and receiving. Many biblical teachings emphasize generosity, such as give, and it will be given to you. Luke 6 verse 38. This law suggests that sowing into others leads to financial increase. The law of diligence. Proverbs 10 verse 4 states, "The hand of the diligent makes rich." Hard work and persistence are often linked to financial success. The law of vision. Having a clear financial vision and purpose aligns with biblical wisdom, such as Proverbs 31, which describes a woman who wisely invests and multiplies her resources. The law of gratitude. A mindset of gratitude and contentment is believed to attract financial blessings and prevent scarcity thinking. Education plays a significant role in gaining wealth, as it equips individuals with skills, knowledge, and opportunities that lead to higher earning potential. Studies show that people with higher levels of education tend to earn more over their lifetime and have greater financial stability. Job opportunities. Higher education opens doors to specialized careers with better salaries. Financial literacy. Understanding investments, savings, and economic principles helps in wealth accumulation. Entrepreneurial success. Business education provides tools for managing and growing financial assets. Long-term stability. Educated individuals are more likely to adapt to economic shifts and secure financial independence. However, education alone does not guarantee wealth. It must be paired with diligence, strategic planning, and wise financial decisions.